Have you ever found yourself asking questions like, what if I can't sell my property? Or what if I can't find another home? Well, fear not, because today I'm going to address those fears. I'll be right back. Hey there, it's me, Stefan Burchard, the Desert Bowtie Realtor here in the Palm Springs region. I record and post content here about the greater Palm Springs region real estate market and the desert lifestyle because I believe that knowledge is power. Check back because I upload new content every other week. I'm back! So today I'm here to share my experience in knocking down real estate barriers to selling and finding extraordinary homes for my clients. After all, I take the knots out of real estate. First, the most egregious error in fear. Pricing, or should I say overpricing. Overpricing your home is a surefire way to keep it on the market for months and months. It sends a signal to potential buyers that you're not serious about selling. Fret not. With my in-depth knowledge of local markets and experience, I'll help you price your home competitively so that we get interest and exposure. You'll be happy about the price you'll receive and the efficiency of the sale of your property. To get the best price possible, we'll dive into simple changes you can make to stage and/or improve your home. This helps create an irresistible space that invites buyers to envision themselves living and loving within those walls. Then, all we have is that pesky paperwork. So many forms in California, it can be overwhelming. Gathering the necessary property documents for selling your home, like home surveys, building permits, improvements, and legal documents, can actually be a good, exciting process when you have the right agent by your side. Like I said, I take the knots out of real estate. So give me a call, text, or email if you have any questions. Once we have all the paperwork in order, it's time to analyze the current market conditions, recent home sales in your area, and most importantly, your specific needs and expectations. By combining all these factors with my experience, we'll reach and unveil the best possible listing price for your home. Now it's showtime. This is where all the fun begins. Woohoo! Up goes the for sale sign, signaling to the world that you're selling your home. Before that though, I'll gather important property information and take professional photography to prepare your home for entering it in the multiple listing service. Then I'll put out all my strategies to market your home online through MLS and multiple digital platforms. I even curate a custom listing video similar to this one that leverages the power of video. Then brace yourself, because interested buyers and buyers agents will be blowing up my phone eager to schedule viewings and make those offers. If we've done our pricing and staging homework well, then we should sell quickly and with multiple offers to consider, depending on the demand of the area, of course. Then we have the negotiation process, another source of angst for sellers. Well, together we'll negotiate for the best possible price and terms, leading to the successful outcome for all parties. Once you've reached an agreement with the buyer and accept their offer, we dive into the next phase, buyer due diligence. This is inspection time, which includes home inspections, pest inspections, a survey to verify boundaries, if applicable, title report, HOA documents, etc. The buyer will also order an appraisal for their lender if necessary. Once past the inspection period and contingency removal, you can start packing, while the title and escrow company prepares all the necessary paperwork for closing. As everything falls into place, the buyers will do their final walkthrough to ensure the house meets their expectations set during the inspection and negotiation process. Then after signing docs and the loan funds, it's time for the grand finale. Escrow closing following recording of new owners with the county. Then your home sale is officially a success and complete. However, our journey does not end there. No, I won't be moving into your new home with you, but I genuinely care about my clients and love to stay connected. My network of referral contacts can be an invaluable resource whenever you're in need of assistance or guidance in your new area. I still find it hard to believe in this day and age that people still want to sell their homes on their own. Wow, really? Can you imagine doing all of this on your own in order to save money? California is pretty litigious, so the legal exposure is a pretty big risk. My goodness. Leave it to a full-time realtor, like myself, of course, who does this full-time. We do this every day. So all of this work is automatic and easy for us to perform on your behalf. Now your home is sold and you're ready to move, and you're understandably concerned about finding a new home while selling your old one. Let's put those fears to rest. I'm here to help you find a new home in this area or to connect you with an ace agent in your new city. I have an extensive network of excellent realtors who can help you with this if you aren't buying here in the Palm Springs region. I keep up with trends nationwide. That way, I always have the inside scoop on hot areas and fantastic bargains waiting to be snatched up by you. With my commitment to excellence before, during, and after the sale, I'll guide you safely past all of your what-ifs. So don't hesitate to contact me. Let's make selling your home an extraordinary experience. Hey, please pass this on to a friend or family member who may be looking to buy or sell here. Now, watch this awesome video about beefing up your curb appeal. Bye! Oh my God. I'm afraid of selling my home.